student, today the topic is exercise 2.2 grade 8 maths and CRT. Today we will start our question from 9 to 16. See the question number 9. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their ages? So solution, what you have to understand, there are two students. The one name is Rahul and the other one is Harun. Okay, these two students are here and the ratio of their ages is given. Okay, so the ratio of the Rahul is 5 and the Harun is 7. So this is a ratio, but what about their present ages? So if we let the age of Rahul, so but we will let it 5x. Just we need to include a 1x with it to get the perfect age of it. Okay, what about the age of Harun? So whenever the ratio is given, just include 1x into it. So the age of Harun must be 7x. So then they said after 4 years. 4 years after, it means to say, let's suppose you are right now 10 years old. Okay, after 4 years, let's suppose what should be your age? If right now you are 10 years old, after 4 years it means 10 plus 4 you would be 14 years old. So here if the present age of Rahul is 5x, then after 4 years, okay, so after 4 years age of Rahul must be 5x plus 4 and after 4 years age of Rahul should be 7x plus 4. See, there are two students and we have let first in their present ages, okay, then we have let their ages after 4 years. Okay, so present age is 5x for the Rahul and after 4 years it should be 5x plus 4. Present age of 7x of the Harun and after 4 years should be 7x plus 4. Then they said if you add these ages after 4 years, if you add them together, so then you will get 56 years. So it means to say this must be your main equation of this question. So this is the main concept. Now how to mention it? Just see. How we will write this? Just see, first we will write let the age of Rahul is equal to 5x because the ratio is first one is the first one. So age of Rahul is related to the first ratio and then age of Harun. This is the second child. Its ratio will be depend on the second ratio. So it should be 7x. Then they said after 4 years. So we will write after 4 years. Okay. Age of Rahul. Age of Rahul. So what we will do, add into this. Add 4. So you will get 5x plus 4 years. Then after 4 years, age of Harun must be 7x plus 4. So this is all about the main letting part. Now we will try to do the equation. They said after 4 years, okay, you have to let sum of their ages will be 56. So after 4 years, their ages are these two. If you add them together, then you will get 56 years. So now I'm just erasing this part of the question. So just write over here, according to the question, we will add these two because they said sum of their ages after 4 years. So we will add these two. So 5x plus 4, this is the first age and the second age is 7x plus 4, age of Harun. It is equal to 56. Now we will try to solve it. So you can see 5x plus 7x must be 12x. 4 plus 4 must be 8, which is equal to 56. Now if you want to solve it further, you can see the x variable is on the left hand portion. We will try to shift the another number to the another side. So that is a 12x will keep here only. 56, this plus 8 will go there. Minus 8. When you will solve it further, what you will got? So it will be 12x is equal to 16 minus 8 is 8, then 4, 48. It implies that x is equal to 48 over 12 because 12 is multiply here. When you will go to the next side, okay, it will divide. 12 4s are 48. Like this you have got the value of x. Now you got the value of x, but what you need to find out? You need to find out their present ages. The present age of Rahul and the present age of Harun. You know that, therefore, So therefore, present age of Rahul, what we have let it? We have let it, okay, 5x. Yes, check in the question. Yes, it is a 5x. And here it is given 5 into x is given 4. So 5 into 4 is 20 years. So this must be the age. So we have found that this is a 20 years and this is the present age of Rahul. Now we need to find it out. The present age of Harun. So the right present age of Harun, which we have already let it. What is it? I think it's 7x. Okay. So right here 7x. So 7 multiply x. What is the value of x we got? We got 4. So 7 4s are 28. So these should be the present ages of Rahul and Harun. So this is all about the question number 9. Now see the next question.